It's ratchet. I'm 3D. I don't do that freestyling shit, but here I go, nigga. Hey, bitch, do you see me? You know ratchet 3D. Y'all pussy niggas ain't seeing me like CD. Or maybe like Charles. Pussy ass niggas watch me beat against your wall like a pussy. Y'all niggas cookies. Humble down niggas, we will call y'all niggas rookies. A third bound nigga, I rep that east side. 7 in the yam, bitch, you know we go ham. Just like the spam, we gon' can y'all niggas. You hating on us, put one inside the motherfucking jersey, nigga. Or in your fitted, nigga. That's how we get it, nigga. Real shit, that's how we live it, nigga. Yeah, hunting gorilla, drumming on the beat. Ain't no Weezy, but I'm the fireman. Yeah, I'ma smoke the fireman and pass that shit to the next man. Like keep the cipher going, nigga. The ratchet ain't gon' stop if I keep flowing, nigga. I just keep on going like Duracell rabbits. Y'all niggas, y'all ain't savage, but I let you have it. I bust your cabbage open. Y'all niggas know. Well, fucking smoking. Nothing. Pussy ass nigga, say something. I know you niggas frontin'. You ain't saying nothing. Look inside your eye, see a pussy nigga. Look me inside my eye, what you see, rookie nigga? It's all real on the level with the devil and them rebels and them reapers. Fuck around, I see you in the cut, I might sneak ya. Hey, you see the beam blanket just like a beeper go off, nigga? I knock your top off, nigga. Huh. Right, that's all off, nigga. With the barrel cut off, nigga. Stop that. Blow your fucking top back like a drop top, nigga.
You serious, nigga? Hey, you didn't give me that shit. Is that funny?
No.
I like this shit. Hey, I do still don't rap, but I like to go trap. And you know that we rolling with a strap. My niggas gon' get it by any means necessary. We be killing niggas by the end of February. You niggas talking about you know that they baby. I know what the fuck I'm